Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Uthando Nesthembu. And I am going to start ngendaba Sibindi, right? Kampumelelo. Guys, I know it has been trending, right? And I'm not saying it's false or anything. But don't you guys think it's a bit convenient for it to trend like now? Like, a lot has been happening, Uthando Nesthembu, and all of a sudden, this whole Sibindi thing is trending, and it's not even on the news. I think Sibindi is as much of a celebrity as Ugogo Maweni, right? And someone somewhere would have leaked evidence to say, no, this is it, this is what's happening. I don't know, you tell me. Like, I just feel Uguti is too quiet when it comes to the media space, and it's more public on social media allegations that are baseless. What if all this is being fabricated so that the show could even do much better? Because for some reason it has to do with uMakhwela uyafakwa lapho umntana abantu amusha. I don't know, guys. I might be wrong, but for me the timing is too perfect. I don't know if there's such a thing. But tell me what you think about this whole Sibindi thing. It's alleged that he shot somebody that intruded in the family yard and that somebody has been Nyamaleh, right? So I don't know if it's true, if you believe it is too convenient like me, or what. I might be wrong, I might be reaching. Now let's discuss your English. Let's discuss the wives in yesterday's episode in no particular order. I personally do not like discussing the whole episode because I feel good you've watched it, but there are things that were like in the episode, right? First and foremost, uMakhumalo for me was a what's happening, right? Remember, uMakhumalo is always bubbly. She's like Musa's best friend at this point. I thought she will not be snacks with the wife coming in, considering Uguti, she is not the reason why the wife is coming in. In my mind, where I'm standing, she would only be snacks if Umusa says, I'm taking another wife because you are not helping in the 20 children being conceived. Do you get? But it looks like she's not necessarily the reason. Umusa vele ufuna ukuthi abantwana bakhe bakhule, and he's not pinpointing the reason as uMakhumalo, right? Okay, sharp, fine. But now, here's what I don't get. Here's what confuses me. uMakhumalo usnaksi unjan. Could it be because uMakhumalo is literally the breadwinner of that family as well? Yena nomsele kubabambisene, and girl is low pissed ukuthi there are things that you cannot take care financially, but you want to add a burden on top of our plate. You want to keep on adding wives that are unnecessary on top of our plate, and I am helping you. Could it be it, or could it be ukuthi uMakhumalo sekashintshile vele? Like, I don't know, but uMakhumalo was like, never mind, I don't care whether nayo ile matorokisi ya haka baba is 70. Ugirl did not care. But this time around, ugirl umuncu, ugirl umuntu ongafuni ukuthi ubona akazingeni. Like, I think she would be one of the wives welcoming uMakhwela with open arms, genuinely so. But I stand to be wrong, because it looks like I am wrong on this one. And then kube uMangwabe, guys. What do you think about uMangwabe? Like, honestly, I also made a TikTok video about the whole thing, right? And on my TikTok video, I said I get so pissed because Ugo every day ngiyatsamaya. Ngiyahamba. I'm leaving. Why doesn't Ugirl actually leave? Because Ugirl uneligibo, right? It could be that she's got that beautiful house that she's still building. She's waiting for it to finish. But I feel at this rate, she should wait for that house to conclude or to be complete while Agibo, right? If Umayeni could go Kibo, yena uhlulwa yini ukuhamba, because like she's been singing the song so long. It like for some reason, for me where I'm seated, it looks like this song doesn't hold weight anymore. This song is just to threaten Umseleku. This song nje ayizwakali. Do you get? Because girl is I believe ukuthi she's employed. She might not be wealthy, but she's able to put something on her table for herself. So, but like I don't know. You guys tell me, isn't it exhausting? Her always saying, I'm leaving, I'm leaving, I'm leaving, I'm leaving, and she never leaves. I mean, Lomuntu uneligibo where she can go. If she is waiting for that house, the beautiful house that she's building to be completed, she can easily go and stay with her parents or rent an apartment until such a time the house is complete and move out of Umselegu's life. But this singing a song and always uzwabuli lugeli, phela we've seen uMagwabe happy when it's season 1 starting. Ugeli was very much in love. You know, and for me, it does not make sense where I'm seated to say, I know I was going to be the last one since this vumelwan. When this vumelwan is a polygamist, so last one, number one, angenwe kangaka. Ay man kancane, guys. I don't know. For me, she's boring me this time around. And I also think Guti, it's so convenient for her to be shown, like to be photographed or to post a video with a man. It's too soon. It's too soon. It's too soon. It's too convenient. It's too somehow. It's not make sure. It's completely not making sure. But yeah, that's where we are. That's what it is. When it comes to Umangwabe, Mina, the storyline bores me. The whole part bores me. I think a girl should just pack and leave and stop preaching, because at this point her preaching makes her like seem like J Popeye. Yeah. Then kube your fave, one of your faves, Umayeni, right? Guys, the reason why I personally loved Umayeni is because I thought I saw Umayeni as one of the most level-headed women in that household. Me personally, when I saw Umayeni, I saw somebody who can reason, somebody who can talk, somebody who can resolve and come to a point where Yena Nomseleku, they've got a solution that is resolved without necessarily attaching her feelings to the other wives. That's how I saw her. And I honestly don't want to lie. She's one of the wives that I held in the highest regard, pertaining how she handled herself in this marriage. No Musa Mseleku. But now, girl, the things that she's doing, the important the red flags, man. The important the red flags, dinalong boranyana low key, because okay, fine, she raised the issue of the child being poisoned, right? It could be food poisoning, it could be the child eating rotten food, it could be a lot of things, but it also might be one of the family members for whatever reason. I would think if there was a child that they would feed poison, Mayeni would be Usibindi, because Usibindi clearly is loved by Umseleku and it's visible. But where I'm standing, Umayeni is showing me signs that I was not happy with. Ugo is saying, no, you was ukulobola kanjani mara awukalungisa amakhabethe awukalungisa isilinga. Guys, kanti ababona ukuthi uMakhumalo uyazenzela umuzi wakhe ukuthi ube muhle, ugele comfortable in her own beautiful house, and Umayeni is also employed. Why can't she just do that and aphume kumseleku? Do you understand? Because I believe, the reason why I believe ukuthi uMakhumalo uzenzele from her own pocket. Umseleku, when he does everything, he would buy them the similar sofas. Because I get Umseleku knows ukuthi they fight for everything and anything. He would buy them similar sofas, similar decor and whatnot. And a wife would trade it in because she doesn't want if any yakifane nalababanye and stuff. But right now, currently, no. Umayeni is showing red flags as far as not accepting fully number 5 and making excuses. Like maybe Ugel Vele loves her husband so much that she's low-key jealous. And if she's jealous, why jealous now? Number 3, number 4. Like why be jealous now? Like it's not make sure, guys. I don't know. You guys tell me, but Mina personally, on the episode that played yesterday, I was disappointed on Umayeni, considering that Umayeni is one of the most level-headed wives in that family, and Umayeni is able to separate her, like, herself from the other marriages and see her marriage as an individual marriage. But right now, she's making Umakwela the problem of her house not being improved by Umusa Mseleku. But yeah, That's what I thought. Do let me know, Uguti Wena, what were your thoughts? What did you see that I didn't see? And let us engage. Also remember, you are not a minim selegu. You are not a minim selegu. When you comment nicely. These are not our family members. We are commenting based on the reality TV that they decided to do, that they decided to bring to our TV. So that's why sikuzokhuluma ngendaba zabo. Akusindaba zabantu manje, because indaba lezi bona bazilethile on our screens. Therefore, we are discussing what we are seeing on TV. So please, when you respond, do not be a mseleku light. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe while you are at it. I love you. Peace. Bye.